guys? Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. Today I come to you with the unboxing of Ipsy. First of all, I want to apologize for not posting anything for a whole week. I have been really sick, and so I just couldn't do the videos. But I am here today and I'm going to share with you the box, the Ipsy November box. I have the Glam Ultimate subscription, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to take this again here, and here are the items. You can see probably from here. So let me go one by one and open each of them. As you saw from the top, again it comes with a card. The first one is the Super Beauty Mask. Or I could be wrong. The next one is the Hanalei Lip Treatment, and then is a MAC lipstick. Of course I have to use that. See the color? So that's the MAC one, and I know that those are 20 bucks, 18 to 20 bucks. I would say 16 to 20. Next I have this is a Nomad. This intense eyeshadow palette. Let's see how intense it is. You know I love opening a box, so if you hear me confused, because I'm generally am. Nice colors. Now the question is, how does it look? I'm gonna do a swatch. Oh yeah, the color does go in pretty well. I haven't seen any fallout yet. I mean, when I am putting on eyeshadow, I want to make sure that I get the color I see in the palette. And if that's not the case, it's not worth it. So, how has been your day so far? And have you decided what you're gonna get yourself for Christmas, for the holiday? I actually got myself a lot of stuff. I make sure, besides giving gifts to my family, family friends, I also have something for me, because I deserve it. Every one of us deserve it. Look, beautiful color. It's a fact. This is a Smudge sharpener, and There we go. This is a Pixie Lip Gloss, I think. Lip Max. Yeah, it's the color. So I am going to, as always, I'm going to open it in front of you and show you what it looks like. The hardest part for me is trying to open this tight packaging when I don't have any nail whatsoever. And another thing I seem to be dealing with now is the static electricity, where my hand just, this plastic just clings to my hand. So I am almost there. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Ooh, I'm gonna put them in the middle, just give some shimmer. Any difference? In hand, it's just clear. It's just a lip gloss. It's gonna be hard to see. You can see here, you just see the gloss part and nothing else. So that is that. And next I have is this. It's the Optim-Eyes Contour Intensifying Revitalizing 3-in-1 Eye Contour Cream. Dark circle, puffiness, fine lines. Okay, I'm excited about it. Try it. You know, the first thing when I try on new stuff, I look for the smell, then how it feels on my skin, and see this? Let me put a little bit in my hand, and from there, of course, it took a while to get it out. So this is it. I don't smell anything unless, also because I also have, so you just again tap. Do not rub. I won't be able to tell you if it works or not on my dark circle until I actually see a difference. This is the first time I'm using it. It does feel smooth. So there you go. Next, I have this. It's a Wonder Catch the Light highlighter and Glowtion. It got me at Glowtion. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand. See the highlight? And I like the fact that it's like this. I can put it in my sweet spot, and you can see I'm just gonna blend a little bit. You see the difference, right? I'm gonna put a little bit here again, and I like the subtleness of the color, and it just catches the light. Next I have is this Will Powder blush. So it's a blush. I'm gonna take this and put it a little bit in my cheeks. And then I'll show you also how the color looks. See the color? This is what I like about blushes. I don't want it to be too dark. I want it to be just enough right. And this is that. And I forgot to open this part. I'm going to open and I'll show you how it looks like exactly. Looks like a pencil, but it's a pencil under a pencil. And beautiful color. And I want to make sure it on the other side is the smudge tool. I can just do this and smudge it. Excuse me. See? Smudging. So I showed you so far the blush, the palette, the rose mask, the liner, gloss, lipstick, MAC lipstick, this is the highlighter, and eye cream. So next I'll show you this. This is a lip treatment, clear lip treatment. I just dropped it. So because I am not putting it in my lip, I'm just gonna try to see if I can put it in my hand and just try it on. I want to try on a new surface. Wow, it's taking a lot hard. Okay, it came in. It feels like Vaseline, kind of like petroleum jellies. You can see it is. I mean, I won't be able to tell you exactly until I put it in my lips, and I already have something in my lips, and I don't think it will give you a fair I can be fair without looking at it. Beautiful. I like it because now not only can I put my stuff here, I have a beautiful cosmetic bag, because I get so many of this stuff. It is sometimes very, very hard to keep track. Oh, of course I did that. I'm gonna keep this here, but I'm gonna put the rest of the stuff in here. I don't think the mask will fit, so I am going to put this mask aside, and I'm gonna show you the next item. It is this. It's a body cream, Peach Iced Tea by Bubble. I am going to open it. Usually they are sealed, so I'm gonna open. Of course, I will open this and let you know. It smells good. It does. I can smell it from here. It's like a peach kind of smell. This one I was looking for. I didn't get to buy it, but this is a face mask. It's a matcha face mask. because it's a mask, I cannot try it on now, but it is a detoxifying face mask. And I heard good things about it, so I cannot wait to try it on. So, what do you think of these items? I want to know about your opinion about the box, and which one do you think or you like the best, which one least. And I forgot to add one more stuff here. Oops. I put it aside and forgot. It's a Cottage greenhouse skin defense treatment for mature or dry skin, and it's a pomegranate rejuvenating facial serum. Okay, serums are always good. Mine is not a dry skin, but combination. Doesn't have much smell, but to me it seems like it's a little too oily for my skin, because you can see, and if it's like this, my skin usually breaks out. And this one I'm not too sure about, but I do like the other ones, all of them. And I want to know what you think, and which one you liked the most, which one the least, and if there are any other box that you suggest, I will try to get that and do a review for you. And I look forward to your feedback. Again, I have not mentioned it before, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the videos. And if my videos come in helpful in any way, shape and form, let me please share and comment. I'm gonna look forward to your comments. Until next time, take care and bye. Happy viewing.